Start by disconnecting the drive motors and setting them to the side. Next, flip the vehicle over. Insert each drive motor over the rear axle into its appropriate side. For the rear wheels, insert the inner wheel bushings and slide the wheel and bushing over the axle, followed by a washer and a cotter pin. For the front wheels, you'll follow the same steps, but must use an inner washer and wheel bushing as well. Now, flip the vehicle over upright and connect the drive motors. Once connected, install the seat using 2 screws and a screwdriver. Next, connect the steering wheel cables and slide the wheel over the steering rod. Once in place, secure the steering wheel with the provided nut and bolt. Next, install the side view mirrors. These will simply pop into place. To attach the rims to the wheels, notice the cutout on the inside of the rim for the Focus logo on the wheels. Line up the rim and the wheel, and simply pop the rim into place. Follow these steps for all 4 tires. To pair the remote, hold down the Car Select button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED light begins to flash. Once the LED light is flashing, simply turn the vehicle on and the remote should pair. Thanks for watching.